Did you know that you spend 2/3 of your life working and sleeping? 1/3 working and 1/3 sleeping. And then the other 1/3 is actually your free time, right? So 67% of your life goes towards working and sleeping, and only 33% of your life goes to free time. That's less than 50%. So if you're working a 40-hour-a-week job, that is what your life looks like. That's how much free time you have. So what if we took out that 1/3 of work and replaced that 40 hours working a week with actually making money, being able to travel the world and being anywhere and not having to physically be at a job? That would allow you to get your time back and your freedom, and have that 67% be actual freedom. Time is the most valuable asset, guys. So you need to learn how to leverage time and how to leverage the online world and make money online, so you could spend more time doing the things you enjoy and the things you love, so you don't completely waste your life. So stop wasting time and go make that money online. Let's go!